Good morning, fellow Ambazonians. Today, na Tuesday, number 19 day for the month of October 2021. My name na Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, aka Sense Pass King, Lukong, the Ambazonian anti-kidnapping czar.
Shina Rambo, King of Boy, aka Obo of Bambalam.
Una welcome to my daily podcast for una. I go to do a 2 episode as promised yesterday. As top state officials they ran decide for the come up for the give us more details about the secret negotiation with Cameroon government and the impression of a negotiation with the Cameroon government idan the do with some few Ambazonians. Also details the come out for the push by Christopher Fomunyo for the Catholic Church for come up also with a negotiation initiative. Details will follow from my other podcasts. But first, Facebook idan publish the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the ADF, in its list of most dangerous organizations. The listing of ADF by Facebook is an indication that the Ambazonia Defense Forces remain a very dangerous organization for La République du Cameroon and their international partners, the multinationals, and the French and their allies, where they seek for exploit our territory of its natural resources. It be common knowledge for Ground Zero and for the international community, say there are multiple groups that operate within Ambazonia. For the Ambazonia Defense Forces to be singled out speaks a lot to our activity and the impact we are having for the international partners that backs Mr. Paul Biya. The Ambazonia Defense Forces is the pioneer, the mother of all forces on Ground Zero. It is not just a force that is being run by political opportunists, but it is a force that was built from the ground, recruited member and trained by dedicated veterans of the Southern Cameroon struggle. The Ambazonia Defense Forces be a reputable defense force, the vanguard of our liberation struggle, as General Mba Ivor, Braveheart, our first Supreme Commander, Ibitok, the Ambazonia Defense Forces shall lead the charge to Buea. Not alone, I should add, but in coordination with all other forces on the ground. The listing of the Ambazonia Defense Forces did not come as a surprise to many of us. We already know that social media, Facebook, have been a tool of manipulation of public opinion. Facebook don't always create negative impression or facilitate the creation of negative impression for the Ambazonia Defense Forces. In the beginning of this struggle, we know, say the Cameroon government, it began make a donation of $5 million to Facebook, and they eventually appoints a French Cameroon citizen for sit at the board where they monitor Facebook community standards them. The listing of the Ambazonia Defense Forces now an ongoing campaign by the Cameroon government and their PR firms working with the French government to suppress and destroy any tangible threat to their colonial grip of the British Southern Cameroon, Ambazonia. For a long time, top members of our officials, each time they go online, Facebook do not send notification to their followers. Our viewership are deliberately manipulated. There won't be time for Facebook where when we, the officials then for ADF, would they live, would they see a sudden drop of viewership in a rapid manner that is not explained, is not explainable. We don't always see a suppression of our voice where they affect the mind of our followers and our viewership, and also they demoralize our officials them when they go online for communicate with our people them on Facebook social media network. Multiple of our accounts that be closed. Facebook they refused me ADF officials them. They not publish the same graphic video them where La République they commit atrocity them. While they permit and facilitate other people them or other voices them for do the same. So if they ban pictures the way ADF they use them, they need to ban them. Me other groups they use them. It means say they deliberately promote those groups them. Just like Cameroon government, it ban Ambazonian protests, it ban people that mean they no use Ambazonian flag, but it facilitate their charade of CPDM rallies them They even go buy people them for their own country, bring them in, they can infiltrate Ambazonia for demonstrate. Now the same strategy way Facebook it use them against the Ambazonia Defense Forces. This targeting is not just targeting the ADF, it is targeting the core of our revolution to make sure that there is no credible organization or effective organization that can champion or lead our people to victory. The Cameroon government military attaché and chief propagandist, Konda Titus, it began make him a key job for go after the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Now just when recently he exposed himself by telling the history of our top officials and their impact on La République du Cameroun, that he decided to disappear into the dark, because the biggest trick of the devil is to pretend that he did not exist. And even when he was exposed, he came back to deliberately lie the Ambazonia people that he has been silent. But we know their work and we see their hand every day in La République du Cameroun, masking of the atrocity and perpetration of genocidal action by their military. Our people them need to be very familiar. Say manipulation of public opinion about organization and individuals na a key tool of war. And we are at war. Facebook damn ban even me for using my face for Facebook page. I don't end up for begin use na picture then why they use cap or way I go put my face for way the Facebook they no go fit dictate them for delete my Facebook pages. They delete most of our top official their Facebook pages as well. Facebook now the biggest social media platform for reach out for the international community and our people then for talk about our plight and for organize and mobilize effectively to liberate our country. We gonna imagine say Facebook it don't allow La République their propagandists for create a fake book using my name, Capo Daniel DDC. A name where the Facebook it deny make me and no use them. A pictures where Facebook it don't reject and make me and no use them. The fact that they allow a fake person for La République for use my picture and my name. And even after we make many hundreds of reports, Facebook deny for delete them. Now for sure, I say Facebook it facilitate La République their agenda. That fake Facebook page it put out fake flyers like the one where they put and say ADF Capo Daniel. It talk say the one for arrest ADF one arrest no pity. So we go pay 10 million bounty for the arrest of no pity. Those are all lies and they don't come from us. And La République their agent then they even within our chat group. Which way did they do now say that they want create the false impression for things them where they want make our people them believe. Like for create the lies where they run the try for put and say ADF do work for La République. ADF they do this and that. One of their agents them where they for our struggle now some white man where they call na Christophe Miasna. This man na white man where the worker attend even Ambazonia their conferences carry Ambazonian flag. Best of all, even married an Ambazonian woman. But would see from a result them, a activity them, say na man way it work for destroy Ambazonian struggle as an agent. One of the encounter when I 100% proof, either publish the fake flyer, no be one time, no be two time, where the La République that make them say ADF, me Capo Daniel, I talk say no PTB wanted by ADF. After he published this fake flyer, he be confronted by one Ambazonian fearless activist, Vela Franklin. Vela Franklin confront him and he pretend, say no way to way, he be or he no know whether that flyer na true or not. Me gonna listen.
You did this. I know if you believe say this Oyobo man dey so he no get brain. I know if you believe this Oyobo man no get brain. But anyways, you know some of them like this are working their enemy's intelligence. They are working with the enemy. And they could be, strategic intelligence people, and we don't know. And they work actually for the enemy. So, like this DDC, I swear to God, even I sent him a message, educated him, like how can he believe such a thing? And this guy still reply, thinking that you have done it. I've asked him to go check all our official platforms. All ADF activists are not saying it. We are the one that have congratulated no pity than anyone on earth. But he thinks so. I told him that he's an idiot. Tell you DDC, it's not easy. Some of them like this, they be so, the enemy is strategic infiltrators. You never can tell. This Oyobo.
So, this group of people, the way they work for Cameroon government and their facilitator them, they can't pretend say that they believe a fake. That means that they go make some fake news about ADF. Come put and say, they want to think Capo Daniel and talk. They want to think Ayabacho and talk. ADF don't do this one. ADF do work for La Republic and say they go talk. Then they go pretend like say them believe. Like when I hear Vela Franklin, he don't catch the one for Ikanas. They go pretend say them believe which way they talk. Their style na say, their strategy na say, when they pretend for any chat group, say them believe which way they talk, people then go start feel say bad people that they believe. And when people then feel say people that they believe, there is a chance that people then too go start believe. So now say this infiltrator, they don't work for long, for tarnish the name of the ADF and for try to destroy the organization as a means for destroy the prospect for we for win our independence. But they always use na lie, and lie it expire. So eventually they go lost steam and people they go discover which way they do and their strategy where they put them for ground. But when I be rest assured, say our leadership it work tirelessly, and the ADF it be the biggest force for Ambazonia, it be the most structured force for Ambazonia. Now the Ambazonia people, their pride, it go to collaborate with all forces and encourage other forces then for become even bigger with the whole big territory for on behalf of the Ambazonia people for create space within our liberated zone them where our people then feel thrive. Will they reshape our economy? Will they push for the diplomacy in a measured way? And will they bring discipline for Ground Zero? With the creation of our anti-kidnapping squad and our political education, will they elevate and inspire our people in a proper way where it will give you a chance for get victory? Some woman call me for Ground Zero, say, my here, he put on the TV, say, here Chris Anu, the whole day, even there for 4 hours, the only talk say Capo Daniel and Ayabacho they work for La Republic. Capo Daniel and Ayabacho they work for La Republic. Say now the people that they destroy Ground Zero. I tell you, say, mommy, if you they call me, say, my here to where the boy they talk him, they lie, they try to destroy this struggle, that means say nobody succeed. Because their reason why they do them continuously, and I say they not get nothing for talk, and they try for creating an impression, so that impression it go delay reality for people their mind. But the good thing I say, all man way they watch them, they know say na lie people them, they nobody ever give any proof for what they talk, and they not get credibility. No be people where the fish don't so articulate on one thing properly. They no first get anything for articulate them. Chris Anu na person where he don't show a high level of intelligence in the beginning when he be the struggle for infiltrate this struggle. So if he be the ready to fight na for Ambazonia freedom, if for the use all that power for articulate very good things them against La Republic, but would they see say everything and decision where they make them na for help La Republic. When I see the upper one with the help Diangote me a meeting for Bamenda it take place fine. Would declare lockdown, we not even consent them. Then come say the lockdown no day. There is the only reason why if you explain and I say but once see me environment therefore where La Republic their agent the way they go come out camp attend the meeting they go feel come feel free for can attend them. Where population you know go identify them if road then dry. So we know say by their own action, their own words, way to way their own people they talk them, now their action now they do work for La Republic. Nevertheless, I go play some audio where Seseko Ayok Tabi he talk for meeting with other Ambazonia activists them about the encounter of Chris Anu and Sako. It go give una a little bit perspective as they address this issue in Amber to Amber.
We are the four who go to conference calls to represent the Terra. So we were in that call. And Sako openly told the activists that Sisiku never told us what happened to them. I couldn't believe I was listening to him. When he finished speaking, my tummy rumbled, and I asked him, I said, Sako, I did not tell you what happened to us. He said, no, sir. I said, then how come? Robert Fondi said that I had said almost the same thing that Milan told them. How come Yerima said I vindicated Milan? Do you remember that part of the story? And then he said, I don't remember it very well. Or maybe I was not paying attention when he spoke. How can somebody say he was not paying attention when I spoke for 45 minutes like you?
So make a talk again so that make it clear fine. Maybe the audio no clear for some my voice. Now Seseko that did talk how we did for meeting with other activists them. Then Sako he come for that meeting, he did talk for them. Say Seseko they never ever talk what it happened for them for the Naira 10. Seseko talks he belly torn inside. He said, Chai, how if you do lie for people then say we'll never talk anything? Where the other people then where they be there for the meeting, they talk about the things the way be talk and when they talk for that meeting. Now we Sako talk say, maybe be the here fine. That way the meeting it be the go on. When I continue for hear the audio.
To be to me now, and then tomorrow somebody says maybe he was not paying attention. Then they asked Chris Anu. So I was very offended. I said, you are a Bible carrying pastor and you can openly lie like this. I said, thank God Chris was in that court. I said, Chris, you were in that court. Did I explain all these things to you? And Chris Anu said, sorry sir, it looks like I'm going to pee. Do you pee for 45 minutes? And he said that laughing. And as we are in a Zoom call, since his video was on, the video actually put him saying that thing about going to pee. And Mark Barretta screamed and said, when I see Chris Anu, they laugh. This is very unfortunate that we have come this far.
So when I hear now, Seseko that too for prison in the talk, how we even then turn for ask Cristiano, say Cristiano talk, no be used to be there for the meeting. Cristiano talk say, hey, no, maybe he to be done go for go peace. So now say the people then they lie. Every single thing where they can't talk, just lie, and they lie now for one objective, for cripple any tangible action we feel lead for Ambazonia their success. Why? Because they don't already hurry for go make negotiation, agree for make negotiation on certain terms with La Republique du Cameroon already. So they fight now for protect that their arrangement where they don't make them. No be for independence. Maybe they not be believe say independence go come, or they not be believe in our own power for fight. Then they wrong go make them. Or maybe not just people where they be greedy. Or na people the way they want say na only them go lead. There will be so many reasons then why these people they decide for betray we. As we don't see them for document the way they come on more and more every day. Why they will hurry for go sign document for say they want enter negotiation for personal benefit. Nevertheless, we go continue for fight and Ambazonia go win. The victory it go come with us making right decisions. Make no man no lazy. If he say he go left work me and another man do am. Then some victory go do come. There is no manna from heaven again. Una must know infiltrator, their trademark, and una must reject them. Una don't see Facebook their manipulation. Today it be clear for all man say Facebook do work with La Republique, they support La Republique. But una need for no say Facebook, it no be a state party. Now just a social media platform where people they use them for sell their courses and for relate with their family them and for keep their good memories. So which way they don't do one today? Make una instead give una confidence for the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the structure, and the way we then present our cause for the international community and motivate our people them for fight. We go win this fight. Our plans them it work. And make una know one thing. Say America, Jimmy Carter, Ronald Reagan, their former president them, they released the ANC for South Africa and Nelson Mandela as terrorists for U.S. State Department. Even time where they released Nelson Mandela, Sute be do campaign for become president. Inside America, officially, he be still be considered as a terrorist. And the African National Congress also as a terrorist organization because they be use violence for fight for the freedom of the people. Today, until 2008, where they become move that statement for inside their document them. So now for sure, now say, any man where they fight for freedom, at one point, now say that they consider it. The freedom fighter for the oppressed people are the terrorists for the oppressors and their international partners. But the truth shall always prevail, and we shall be vindicated, and we are vindicated. We care less about what the social media platform will say, even though we are worried about their influence, and we are going to mitigate it, like we always say. The revolution shall not be televised. So, my own country people them, wanna stay tuned for the next episode for my podcast because I know if you make me be very long. I want to inform the general public. Say all that dance group them where they receive Dangote. The one who will be catch them where they be come out in particularly for Babanki. Now them be there for Finance Junction, the dance. The one it go give guarantee for our people that me they know say the people where they be kind of welcome Dangote, no be people for Bamenda. Now people where they stay for Yaoundé, then go hire people them for their villages. Me they can welcome Dangote. It be unfortunate, but we don't release all those people them. They be catch them, arrest them, 30 of them. We first release women and children, and now we don't release all man picking them for day. After they don't be punished, as soon as know with the prescribed punishment, depending on the circumstances will be Now low level people them will go after the organizer themselves. But any man with a black leg, enablers or collaborator, your own day it come. So there are many moving parts, many things going on. Yesterday we get a very big success also for a mission for Ambu, for Batibu, where our mother base Ibiwambi ambushed by La Republique, their military them. Our intelligence will pick on their activities, place where they begin their rendezvous point. Our soldiers they be embed themselves for they ambush them. Will kill 6 of La Republique, their soldier them, and those information and more media material from that will be broadcast to the Ambazonian people subsequently, including video of the interrogation of those people the way they began to do that dance for welcome Diangote. We will broadcast them, and also video of other criminal gang who dance to catch them for Bamenda. 2 of them we will release them, and many other activities across our states. There are also training going on in Ekondo Titi and other places where we want for release those videos because it don't finish. We will continue for the Bill Ndian. We will continue for the Bill our liberated zone them inside Manu. We will open the expand as we do stabilization. We will school them. They go on very well. We do encourage Ambazonia. They meet and support the resistance. Please support the resistance. It be very important for una to do that. God bless you all. Do not forget to collaborate and share. Inform people about the reality on the ground. I think if there is one thing you people should understand, that despite the sabotage from Facebook, the sabotage from other platforms, media platforms, twisting our story and our images, the one thing you can be sure, it does not work. On the 1st of October, when I see the ADF, our leadership on the ground, General Efang, and all the other generals, General Ebube, General Kapo, General Kumbu, talk and do, Captain Small Pekin, the list go on and on from our generals in Lebialem, many others, and we then raise the mobilized population, meet them stand up and they celebrate Ambazonia. The population will come up for the ADF, their control zone them, it will be alone for the ADF that control zone, then it will be almost 3 times the population will come up for all other places than for Ambazonia. Don't go show and say when it comes for the real popular movement, for those with the mind about popularity, the ADF is the most popular group. The Ambazonian Governing Council is the most popular group on the ground. This does not really matter because we are not in any competition or political campaign. We want other groups also to be very popular. We are encouraging collaboration with the group of Seseko Ayuk Tabi, of the IG group, also the consortium, and many other partners in way they partner with us, but those type of manipulation for public opinion that they go on, so it be good for us to know the truth. When it comes to contribution, real financial contribution, the Ambazonian Governing Council, ADF, it be supported highestly by Ambazonia them. When they talk about fake people, they can't announce money where they never collect them, or people the way La Republique they donate money for them. So we go keep on the good job. We go continue with our resilience, no retreat, no surrender, ahead until we reach Buea. God bless you now. Capo Daniel signing off.